that Chad?
What's going on, guys? This is Chad. Thank you for watching another Is That Chad audio reviews video. Today I'm going to be taking a test drive in this 2017 Mercedes GLS450. This is the 4MATIC, which means it is all-wheel drive. And in this particular model, we are equipped with a 362 horsepower turbocharged 3-liter V6. And that is paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, which is going to get you 16 miles per gallon in the city and 22 on the highway. Now, if you guys want to see a full walk around and demonstration of all of the features, make sure you go to my channel and take a look at that video, as I'm uploading that video immediately before uploading this video. So make sure you go look at that. On this video, we'll be doing a test drive in it, showing you guys how this car performs and handles, not only in the city, but also how it would perform on the highway, up to some highway speeds. And then I'll be giving it just a score, my basic thoughts on the car. With that being said, let's go ahead and jump right in. If you guys have any type of questions on the car, make sure you let me know. Make sure you drop that comment and tell me what all of your thoughts and opinions are on the car. Here we go. Got the push button start, of course. Now, as you can see, I am going to start off in comfort mode, and then I'll switch over into sport mode once we get going a little bit. Bring out just a few things about the car before we get into the drive. Number one, you do have navigation with traffic on it, so that's really nice. Let me show you guys the backup camera. Gear selector is located here, so just foot on the brake, shoot that up. And you have two different angles on a backup camera. This is angle number one, really nice angle, very wide. You also have your guidelines there that move and show you your projected path. Then, if you go ahead and go over like that, now you can see we have a much wider range of view there. So 180 degrees, really nice view. Now, let's go ahead and get into the drive. So we're going to put it in drive. Go ahead and put my e-brake off. Like so. And here we go. If you guys do have any questions, make sure you drop the question for me. All right. So first thoughts on the seat. Seat is very comfortable. There's not a lot of support like to keep me here like in place, but it's very comfortable though, very nicely padded. Not very bolstered, but it's not a sports car, so I guess it's not really intended to be super bolstered. Excuse me. Other than that, I'm talking, this thing has really good power. I'm barely on the gas, just, you know. And this thing moves. Wow. Remember, over 350 horsepower. So great horsepower. Man, can you feel it. Yeah, this thing could knock your socks off. This thing handles great. Wow. I know there's not a lot of blind spots in this car. Wow. Let me know what you guys think of that. I'm loving that. That's in comfort mode. So now, let's switch this thing on over. And now we're in sport mode, you can see. Sport motor, sport steering. Wow. What a difference. What a difference, guys. Holy cow. Yeah, this thing drives phenomenally. Now what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to just do one more in sport, and then I'm going to throw it back into comfort mode, and I'm going to get up to speed a little bit, and then accelerate from maybe 30 or 40 to see how it would be if you needed to pass somebody or maneuver something real quick. So let's go ahead and get going to about 20 or 30. Here we go, 20. So you pick up good. It's a tiny little bit of lag. You'll notice right when I push the throttle, it waits a second. Matter of fact, let me show you. I'm going right now. I'm gonna tell you when I floor it, and then see how long it takes for it to register. So 3, 2, 1. So you can see it's not a huge amount of time, but it is there. Definitely there. But when it picks up, it picks up. Now, the car does have paddle shifters. You notice I didn't use those right now, just because the car shifts just fine by itself. It is a 9-speed transmission in the car. If you get the AMG option, which is a lot of money, different motor, but it also comes with a different transmission as well. It'll come with a 7-speed transmission, I believe. So really, really nice. Now this car does have some of your safety features, such as like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot information system. It does have all of those. If you guys do want to know more about those, go to my channel and take a look at those. I do have a video uploaded describing in depth how to use that and what all of them mean. But I am highly impressed with the acceleration of this car, especially for it being so massive. And you can see, I mean, I fit in here so good. I mean, lots of head space, good shoulder space. Overall, very comfortable car to ride in, or to drive, I guess, but also to ride in. All right, guys, that is going to do it for this episode for Is That Chad Auto Reviews. If you guys do want to see other videos, you want to see a full walk around of this car, make sure you go to my channel. I have lots of videos uploaded now. And with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching another Is That Chad Auto Reviews video, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the very next episode.
Is that Chad?